Okay, guys, I'm going to share this. I think what I did was I did not see what I did. See what I did? I think that the puff I was using was not thick enough for the design. So I got a hot mess right here. Totally hot mess. And I should have been using a 3 instead of, I think I was using a 2. So a lot of the thread got stuck in there. So this is going to be a project, but I'm going to go ahead and work it out. But I wanted to share what not to do. And I'm just glad it wasn't worse. I can get that out. It's going to take some surgery, but I will get it out. And I will record it after I'm done. So what I had to do was I had to cut the thread that was attached to my practice fabric. I'm going to get some tweezers, and I'm going to start in here first because it's a mess. It's a total mess. Yeah. And if I can get this out, let's see. Take that out. And I'm recording it more for myself to see what I did. Girl. Okay. A lot of thread in there. And I'm holding. That one stuck. It really stuck. Oh. Why they get dark? Got really dark. See, it's just me, so I don't have nobody to help me. But I need to, oh yeah, look at that. It's really in there, so I'm gonna have to put this phone down and the flashlight and get busy.